Hey, what's up everyone, Zulfika here and welcome again to ZFN channel, and in this video I will be unboxing the latest Apple Watch copy, the W26 Smartwatch. Alright guys, here are the packaging of the smartwatch. So at the front we have the illustration embossed of the smartwatch, and this one is black colored. So as we can see, the box is just plain white. There's nothing information here. It's a bit dent because of shipping. So let's open it up, and here are the smartwatch, the W26 Smartwatch. It's pretty much the same as the old model, the Apple Watch copy model. And yeah, I would say there's nothing new in terms of its design. So let's take a look inside. So here we have the magnetic charger, and the user manual comes with Chinese language and English language. So this smartwatch uses the Fundu app. Let's put all that aside and let's take a look at the smartwatch. So first let's test out the magnetic charger. And the magnet will fit in fairly strong, but not that strong. But yeah, it's worked just fine. And let's take a closer look at the smartwatch. So yeah, we have the screen here, the screen protector there, but I'm just gonna leave it there. So at the right side we have the power button here, and there's the microphone. So at the back of the smartwatch we have the sensor, and we do have these two pins for charging purposes. And at the left side we have the two firing speakers, and that's pretty much it. So good news that this watch, you can change its strap. This smartwatch size 44 mm. You can use an original Apple Watch strap. So let's turn it on. So at first glance, yeah, this smartwatch have a quite big screen. It has the 1.75-inch display, IPS display. So as we swipe from the left, we can see the sport exercises that we can choose. We have the walking, running, hiking, cycling, basketball, badminton, ping pong, and football. As we scroll from the top to the bottom, we can see the other tools that we can choose. So first up, we have the Bluetooth settings. Here we have the watch information. So the device name is Watch 6. We have this one is the battery life. This one is the alarm. This one is the QR code to download the Fundu app. And lastly, we have the main menu style. We can choose between two styles. So first, let's see on the right side. Yeah, we have the bubble menu button, but my god, it's pretty lag. It has the same. Actually, this smartwatch is an upgrade version of the W36 Smartwatch. And that watch is pretty lag also. So swipe from the bottom to the top, we can set up the Bluetooth settings to connect to our phone. So let's try the 9 app menu style, and yeah, this one is much better. I suggest you just use the 9 app menu style. So let's take a look at the face watches. as we can see that, yeah, the screen size is pretty big compared with the other old model or Apple Watch copy model. Yeah, this one is, in terms of the display, is pretty nice. It's quite big, 5.75-inch display. For this face watch, I think we can react with the buttons here. So here we can choose the heart rate sensor. So this is the sport history. So another button, I think, no, I think only 2 buttons that we can react with. Alright, let's take a look one by one on this icon. So this one is the contact menu, and this one is the dial up, so we can call directly from the watch, but of course we need to connect with our phone first. Next up, we have the call history. This one is the messaging. All our notification will be there. This one is the alarm, I think. This one is the Bluetooth connection. This is step tracker. This is the main menu style. This is to find our device. It will vibrate and make an alarm sound. This is the sleep tracker. This is the heart rate sensor and ECG. This is the sedimentary reminder. This is the sport exercise, QR code, this is sport history, and temperature, blood pressure, the alarm, I think, yeah, the alarm setup. This is the calendar, music controller, camera shutter. This is the stopwatch, and a calculator. This is the motion, so we can turn on the wake up gesture. So as we flip our hand, so you can turn on to show the clock. And this one is the setup, language setup. And lastly, we have the settings. We have the Bluetooth settings, clock, the notification bright, the sound, the volume, display. So I need to, you can set up the screen timeout, the brightness here. It's just okay. We have the units. Just want to reset our smartwatch, and this is the device information. So we have the W26 version here. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. What inside the smartwatch. So now let's try to connect with our phone. But firstly, let's install the Fundu app. So we just scan the QR code directly from the smartwatch. So it's downloading. So at the meantime, let's connect it. Firstly, you have to connect directly from the setting, the Bluetooth settings. So as we turn on, we can choose. The device will be shown as Watch 6. This Bluetooth for calling purposes, for contact information sync. So yeah, after we connect it with our phone, then yeah, it will show our contact list. So then we can make calls directly from the watch. So let's take, for one example, let's try to call. Yeah. So next up, let's see here the call history. So next up, let's pair it with inside the app. So connect. The purpose we have to connect directly from the apps is for the step counting purposes, to check our calories, and mostly in terms of our health tracker. Yeah, pretty standard stuff. Also, from the inside the app, we can set up the notification settings on which app that we want to receive notification. Okay, so let's try to wear them. Yeah, it's pretty okay. I don't know what the difference in terms of its design, but yeah, this watch has a bigger screen size. So yeah, it's pleasing in the eye. Alright guys, here are the specification and the features of the smartwatch. Alright guys, my final thought. This smartwatch, it's pretty much the same as its previous models. And the only good thing, it upgrades its screen size, its screen resolution, which is much pleasing in the eyes from the previous model. The previous model has a bigger chin, so this one is, yeah, it's much better. So people, as we wear it, people won't even notice that it is a copy watch. So yeah, I think for most people, yeah, they will be happy to purchase this product. Although its performance is pretty lag, so I think for the next model that they should upgrade its performance. So yeah, I think people will be much happier to purchase this product. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.